For today's buttercream piping tutorial, we'll be making these easy petunia flowers. We'll be using a number 150 tip and some purple buttercream. We're going to attach some parchment to our flower nail, and now with the longer end slightly off center, we're going to apply pressure and spin our flower nail to form a disc to use as a base. Now we're going to tuck the longer end right into that hole. We're going to apply pressure, pull up to the outer edge of our base while spinning the flower nail, and then pull back down towards the center to form our first petal. You will want to make sure that these petals extend out enough to overlap that base so that it doesn't show in your finished flowers. So tuck your tip right next to that petal, apply pressure, spin, pull out, and pull back down. As you come in to pipe your final petal, just lift up slightly so that you don't run the tip through that first petal that you've piped. I'm switching to a number 3 tip with some yellow buttercream. I'm just going to pipe one small dot right in the center to finish off our petunia flower. I'm going to go over it once more here, just to touch on the angles a little bit more. So again, we're just going to pipe our base here and just apply pressure and spin your flower nail. Now, as you can see here, I have the shorter end slightly up at an angle, and the longer end is touching the flower nail in the center, and that's how we get the nice movement on our petals. So again, we're just going to apply pressure, spin, pull out, and pull back in, and this is the basic piping motion for most flower petals. Again, we're going to switch to a number 3 tip and just add a small dot in the center to finish off your flower. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And I'm going to link a couple more piping tutorials here for you as well. As always, thanks so much for watching.